Kim Yoo-jin, known professionally as Eugene, is a South Korean singer and actress. She was born in Seoul, South Korea. With the suggestion of her grandfather, who settled down in Guam, her family immigrated to Guam after she finished the first semester of 5th grade elementary school. She attended Agueda I, Johnston Middle School from October 1992 until June 1995 and John F. Kennedy High School from June until September 1997. She returned to Korea with her mother and younger sister to finish high school and eventually graduated from Korea Kent Foreign School, Seoul in June 1999. At high school, more than 80% of her subjects were A credits. In elementary school, only 23 out of 24 subjects were awarded. In middle school, almost all her subjects were excellent. She is best known as a former member of the girl group SES, which went on to become one of South Korea's best-selling artists. Following the group's disbandment, in 2002 she subsequently left SM Entertainment and released 2 solo studio albums. On May 11, 2011, Eugene announced she would be married to Ki Tae-young, her leading man in the 2009 TV series Creating Destiny. Their wedding was held at the Seoul Central Church in Anyang, Gyeonggi-do on July 23, 2011. They were the first couple featured on Super Couple Diary, a reality show filming the daily married life of celebrity couples. Eugene gave birth to their first child, a daughter named Ro-hee, on 12 April 2015. She also gave birth to another girl, Ro-rin, on 18 August 2018. In 2020, she appeared in TV series The Penthouse, wherein live aired on SBS TV from October 26. In 2012, she became the host of Season 3 of MBC's revamped flagship amateur singing competition show The Great Birth. Her next leading role was in the 2013 weekend family drama A 100-Year Legacy, which reached ratings of over 30%. In 2007, Eugene took over from Lee Hari as one of the co-hosts of the variety show Happy Together Friends until the show was overhauled for a 3rd season. Eugene made her theatre debut in the musical adaptation of the film Innocent Steps and her film debut in Unstoppable Marriage. After taking on the lead roles in the dramas One Mom and Three Dads and Creating Destiny, Eugene then starred in the television series King of Baking, Kim Tae-gu, which was a huge hit and earned national drama status. Eugene made her debut with SES in 1997. SES enjoyed tremendous success, becoming the top-selling K-pop girl group until Twice broke their record in 2019. The group broke up at the end of 2002 after Bada and Eugene parted ways from SM Entertainment, while Shu stayed with SM Entertainment until 2006. On May 28, 2016, Eugene with SES members Bada and Shu attended a charity event Green Heart Bazaar. In October 2016, Eugene along with Bada and Shu reformed SES to celebrate their 20th anniversary since the debut of the group. In early December 2016, they aired their 10-episode reality show Remember I Am Your SES, which is broadcast through media of Oksusu. To accompany their 20th anniversary debut, they held a concert Remember the Day on December 30 and 31 at Sejong University's Daeyoung Hall in Seoul.